Wagwan people, welcome back again to another video. The Jamaican Guide here. Today we will be looking at 8 illegal apps you should be aware of. No, this video is not to promote any of these apps. I do not recommend anyone to download or use any of these apps. They are illegal for a reason. They pose a possible risk and harm to you and others around you. This channel will not be held responsible for any legal consequence that you might face. This channel is not affiliated nor related to any of these apps and our developers. Okay, so number one on the list is Saraha messaging app. Saraha messaging app. This app started in 2016 and became so popular because of its ability to send messages anonymously. You could send a message to anyone without them knowing the identity of the sender. In a span of over 2 years, unfortunately for this app, it went from the #1 spot to being banned from the App Store. The same feature that gave the app its fame was the one that ended it all for this app. It was used for bullying. Google further got reports that the app was also stealing the contacts address books of its users. Okay, so number 2 on the list is Showbox. Now, this app is an app that allows its users to watch movies and TV shows directly from their Android device for free. How come it's illegal? Because these video content are being streamed from direct sources that can possibly contain malicious software. Apart from that, it also steals your data and it has no permission to stream the content that it does. Number 3 on the list, Girls Around Me. Now, this app is a very dangerous app. This app has violated many of Google's policies. It has a geolocation tool that allows its users to stalk people through their Facebook posts or public check-ins. After that, they can immediately connect with the same person through Facebook. Very, very disturbing, isn't it? Some people would say, why are you telling people about these apps? Because people already know about these apps, just the way I know about them. But the vast majority who is most vulnerable doesn't. So this is where I come in to make sure you guys know. That way your friend won't come and tell you to download Showbox, because there is a lot of your nice movies and there, and you fall for it, because I already let you guys know that it is illegal and why it is illegal. Okay, moving on to number 4. Alright, so coming in at number 4 on the list, Andrew Dumper. What a name. Now, this Android app is also very illegal. This app gives its users the capability to hack your Wi-Fi password on any Android device, phone, tablet, whichever. It actually works when the users connect to the correct Wi-Fi router and is close to it. So if you notice somebody standing close to your house regular and you never give them, him or her, your Wi-Fi code, you might want to turn your router off and watch what he or she does. Number 5 on the list is Creek Hack. This app now, Creek Hack. This app now, trust me, this one might sound good and easy, but believe me, you will go to jail. You will go to jail. Creehack gives its users the ability to get in-app purchases for free. Yeah, for free. All you need to do is activate the app and you are now able to get what you want, including a jail cell. Okay, we'll still going up the list. Number 6 is Terrarium TV. Is much like Netflix. You can find all your favorite TV shows and movies available in Terrarium TV. This app allows you to save and download contents to watch while offline. Moving up to number 7, Secret SMS Replicator. Now this is another dangerous app right here. This app gives your obsessed lover the ability to spy on your messages. When the app is enabled, all the incoming messages from the victim's phone will automatically be forwarded to the hacker's phone. So careful who you give your phone to, cause not only lovers do these things. Sometimes we have some friends where not really like we. Okay. Final app on this list is Royal Likes. Okay, so I guess most of us use Instagram to share and all of that. Some even use it to conduct their businesses. But if you want to gain more likes and followers and maybe a new jail cell, then Royal Likes is the app for you. By using this app, it requires you to log into your Instagram account, and bear in mind it is risky to give your credential and authentication to these kind of apps. Okay guys, so that's it. I hope you guys like the video. Yo, big shout out to Krampus Entertainment. People, run over to Krampus Entertainment and check out him channel. I'm sure you're not gonna regret it. So guys, until next time, stay safe. It don't make sense me say Merry Christmas or Happy New Year and all of that, cause you guys will be hearing from me before that.
So just exit. Yeah.
Yeah.